The company was founded by two friends, Harold Graham and Henry Brown, and they were boyhood friends who grew up here in Blackburn in Lancashire, and they bought their first piece of equipment in 1938, before the Second World War. We have wonderful colleagues here at Graham & Brown. We've got a fantastic culture which is all based around collaboration and working together. But really at the heart of the company is this passion about creativity, about design, and about bringing that design to a product, to wallpaper. Some of the designs are hand-drawn, and of course one of the advantages of being 70 years old is that we have an archive of over 30,000 designs. We print them through screen printed technology, through gravure printed technology, and now, quite interestingly, a parallel back to 1946, we've just invested in our first digital print machine. So we've got the capability of printing in different ways and bringing this love of design to the customer's home.